Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Whistle. In this video we are going to see how to prepare peanut chicky. This peanut chicky is very healthy and tasty. For this peanut chicky, only 3 ingredients are required. Take 250 gram of raw peanut, 250 gram of jaggery and half teaspoon of ghee. First we are going to roast the raw peanut. Switch on the stove, heat pan and add the raw peanut. Keep on mixing and keep the stove in medium flame. Roast until skin slightly turn to black color. Cool the peanut. Remove the skin in the peanut. The peanut is ready. Add the peanut to mixie jar and grind it. Grind it coarsely. It should be like this. Grate the jaggery and add it to a pan. Switch on the stove. Add 100 ml of water and dissolve the jaggery. In between time, grease the aluminium paper or plate. If you have butter paper, use it. Add little ghee or oil and spread well. The jaggery is completely dissolved. Now we can filter the jaggery syrup. Switch on the stove. Keep the stove in medium flame and keep on mixing. Now we can check the consistency. In a bowl, take little water and add the syrup. The consistency is not came. Bubbles are coming big. This is the perfect consistency. You can add the ground peanut. The jaggery syrup is very thick. The jaggery syrup should roll in the water. See, the sound is coming. Don't waste time. Add the ground peanut as soon as possible. Otherwise, the chicky will become very hot. Add the ground peanut. Keep the stove in sim flame and mix well. Now add the half teaspoon of ghee and mix well. See, the jaggery and peanut is mixed well. Now we can switch off the stove and pour to greased paper or plate. Grease the chapati rolling pin. Even and thin the chicky. Slowly even the chicky with the help of chapati rolling pin. Even and thin the chicky like this. Now cut the chicky into small pieces with the help of knife. You have to do within 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise it will become cool. You can't able to cut. Cut into square shape and cool it for 1 hour. 1 hour is over. The chicky is completely cooled. Now we can take it out the chicky pieces from the paper. All the peanut chicky is removed from the paper. The peanut chicky is ready. The sound is coming while breaking and it is very crispy and tasty. Perfect peanut chicky is ready. You can also try this peanut chicky at your home. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. Not yet subscribed to Kitchen Whistle means please subscribe to Kitchen Whistle. If you have any doubt in this peanut chicky, let me know in comment section. Thank you so much for watching.